Slipcovers provide a clever way to revamp the look of old furniture, protect your investment, and create a more manageable environment when spills and pet hair are concerns. But, like any decor choice, they come with both benefits and drawbacks. Pros: budget-friendly update. Slipcovers are far more affordable than buying a new sofa or having one reupholstered. They let you alter the color, pattern, or texture of your sofa on a whim. Protection. Slipcovers safeguard your sofa's upholstery from stains, pet hair, and the general wear and tear of daily life. Washability. Most slipcovers are machine washable, making cleanup an absolute breeze, especially for families with kids or pets. Style versatility. Slipcovers come in a huge variety of colors, patterns, and fabrics, helping you adjust your living room's look without major changes. Cons: fit. Finding a perfect fit can be tricky, especially with oddly shaped sofas. This can leave your slipcover looking bunched or baggy. Maintenance. Slipcovers may need frequent straightening because they can shift and slide with use. Casual look. Slipcovers generally have a more casual, relaxed aesthetic. If you prefer a perfectly tailored look on your sofa, they might not be ideal. Durability. Depending on the fabric quality, slipcovers may be more prone to wear and tear in comparison to traditional upholstery. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.